Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to clear the activity history in Windows 11. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. The easiest way is to access Settings. Press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open Settings, and click on Privacy and Security on the left side. Scroll down to the Windows Permissions section and select Search. When the page opens, click the Clear History button next to Clear Activity History for this account, and confirm the action by clicking OK. If you also want to prevent Windows from collecting new activity data, stay on the same Activity History page. Uncheck the box that says Store My Activity History on this device. This way, Windows will no longer save your activities on your PC. This way, your history will remain clean, without the need to delete it again later. Your activity history in Windows 11 is now completely cleared. Leave a comment below if this tutorial helped you protect your privacy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.